Hey guys, it's me, Courtney from Know Your Produce, and today we're making my homemade teriyaki sauce. It's so good, so simple to make. You guys are gonna love this recipe. It's super flavorful, so much better than store-bought teriyaki sauce. We hope you guys love it and enjoy it as much as we do. If you wanna add more flavor, you can add some chopped ginger, you can add some chopped garlic, scallions, you could even add some crushed red pepper flakes, whatever you like, but this is a perfect base and we love it just like this. I added over some vegetables, some rice, some chickpeas. You can add it over your favorite meats or proteins that are plant-based or whatever you like. It's perfect as a marinade. He wants to be with mama. Say, I don't want nobody else. Let's go. So I have a small saucepan here and I put it on medium-high heat. I'm going to add in the ingredients one by one. First, we're gonna add in the soy sauce. I have a half cup of soy sauce, a half cup of mirin, a half cup of a mixture of 1/3 cup of water, and then the remainder of rice vinegar. And then we have 1/4 cup of sugar. And then we're just gonna mix that until it dissolves. So for soy sauce, you have a few options. If you wanted to make a substitution for the soy sauce, you could also use tamari if you're gluten-free, or even coconut aminos, which is soy-free. The reason I like coconut aminos is because it's also less sodium. We use low sodium soy sauce, but it's even less than that. Are you excited? Yeah. So we're just gonna keep mixing. And we don't wanna bring it up to a rapid boil at all. Just a light simmer. And now I'm going to mix my cornstarch slurry. So my family likes it a little thicker. I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So then I'm gonna add a little bit of water and make it a cornstarch slurry. So now I'm gonna mix in my cornstarch slurry slowly, because it might boil up. And depending on how thick you like your teriyaki sauce is how much you'd wanna add. And then we're gonna gently mix that in. And guess what? It's done! That is how simple this teriyaki sauce is. You don't have to chop anything up. It's literally measure, heat, and eat. Yeah, he is ready for dinner. You want some of that? That's too sweet for you, right? Say, I want the broccoli though, right? And the chickpeas. So how we like to serve this is with some broccoli, chickpeas, rice. Yeah, we serve it with lots of veggies. And he is just enjoying looking at the heat. Right? We turned it off. And that is it. Now I'm just going to pour it in using a funnel. And it usually fills up my mason jar. And then that's it. And then you can refrigerate this. This recipe is so super simple. You could use it over your favorite vegetables. You could serve it over rice with chickpeas and broccoli and peppers and carrots and onions. So, so good. I just love that it's so easy to prep. I can literally hold the baby, make it, and then we have dinner ready. I like to put my chickpeas in the Instant Pot for the week, and then I have chickpeas ready to go. I have frozen veggies because, let's be real, it's so much easier. And when you prep your veggies, it's so much easier to get them ready and get them to the table when you've had a crazy day. Am I right? Now you can have this sauce right in the fridge. We keep it for about a week. I'm gonna be honest, we keep it for like 2 days because it gets eaten up that fast. But if I do make a bigger batch, we have it usually for a week because we do eat it quickly. We love it. We use it for meal prep. So we hope you guys enjoy it as much as we do. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, guys.